Hi, I'm Kim Shurman from Chalkboards, and I've been drawing chalkboards for around 30 years now. If you're going to draw on a pavement, sweep it first. I use a combination of traditional school chalk, soft pastels, and any of the outdoor work that I do, I also use a permanent marker pen. I like templates because it's a really quick way to get stuff on the ground. Make a stencil, cut it out of a bit of cardboard, out of a bit of cereal box, put it on the ground, draw around it. You've got your outline and then you can colour it. With chalk, if you're so far into the development of an idea and something's not quite working, a wet rag and water will remove that and you can keep going. The Pounce is an old sign writing technique. You actually draw the design and then you run over it with a small wheel which has got sharp teeth on it, and that puts little serrated holes in the line. You make a Pounce bag out of using like a muslin bag or a stocking. You put white chalk into that and the chalk goes through those little perforated holes. When you take the stenciled paper off, you're left with an outline of your design. To do the design which has got the circles in it, there I've just used a piece of cord and you just use a radius, so you don't need a compass. You can make designs out of virtually anything. Once you've got the form, you can fill inside the lines whatever colour you want or however you want it to be.